welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all my travel tips and tricks, my Amazon favorites for travel, and just like little things that make traveling so much easier, and my process for packing and traveling from start to finish. We actually leave to go out of the country tomorrow morning really early. I would have preferred to have like all of this done before the day before, but we were out of town this weekend. So today is the day I got to do everything. So I'm going to start the morning off by running to Target. I have a whole list of things that I need, from travel size medicines to pool floats, sunscreen, bug spray, all the things. So I'll start with that, and then we will get organizing and packing, and I'll show you guys all of my Amazon favorites for travel. I feel like I have found so many gems. With this busy day ahead, I had to be comfy. So I'm wearing this Free People onesie. It is truly my favorite. I wear it all the time, and then underneath I just have this Brandy Melville striped shirt that I've had since high school. It's very old. And then I'm probably just gonna wear my Birks. It's comfy and cute, which is everything I need for today. So let's head to Target. I don't really need anything over here, but sometimes you just gotta check. Sometimes you don't know what you need. Let's do a Target haul, and then I'll do my Amazon favorites for traveling. So the first thing I got is this bag. I didn't know if I wanted to buy a bag, but they were 30% off, and I had seen this before, and I've really been wanting like a tote bag that's great for traveling. It's pretty much open on the inside, has a zipper pocket. So this will be great to store my laptop, cameras, everything that I keep with me on the flight, because it's really big and spacious, and then I can also use it as a beach bag. It's like a canvas material. It's very nice. Then I got this dress. I saw this again, it was 30% off, and I was like, that is just too cute. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a silk dress, and then it goes like this. I didn't try it on, so we'll see if it fits. Then I got Sam this really just like super cute Hawaiian shirt. It felt like the vibe. I got two pool floats. I felt like we would use these a lot, and then we'll just leave them there if we meet people that want them. Then I got these headbands. I actually wore one of these on my stories, and so many of you guys asked where they were from, and I'd been meaning to get a new pack because I had lost all of mine. So I got these. They're great, a little bit more pricey than I would hope for, but with my bangs, it's just so nice to have something to get them out of my face. I got some balloons for Sam because we're celebrating his birthday while we're there. He doesn't really care, but I do. So I just got him some balloons, and that will be fine. Then I got these razors, not necessarily for the trip, but I lost my handle, and I have a ton of refills from Sam's Club or Costco. So I just needed to buy the cheapest one I could find with the reusable handle. Then I got the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. Heard so much about this, I wanted to try it out, and I was out of my other foundation. No idea if this is my color. Actually, kind of looks like it is. It was the lightest shade. This is the book I got. It's called The Perfect Couple. So this book is about a wedding that's happening on Nantucket, and then the maid of honor shows up dead. Everybody in the wedding party is suddenly a suspect. So this sounds like the perfect read, and pretty good size. Now let's run through all the mini sizes that I got. Travel size hairspray, travel size toothpaste, travel size shaving cream, travel size deodorant, hand sanitizer, and then I got some medications, and I got the daily hydration since we'll be out in the sun so much, and I'm terrible about drinking water. So I got some of these. And then I got some sunscreens. I got 2 low sprays and 1 kind of high number because I am very fair skinned and I burn a lot, and Sam does not. So low for him, high for me. For the trip, I got a mini razor, travel makeup wipe, the mini wet brush. Mine broke, and I love this thing. I got some waterproof mascara, 2 random little items that I got off of Amazon. I don't gatekeep. I'm gonna help a girl out. This V Magic. It is a feminine skin balm. I don't know about you guys, but saltwater sun just really dries me up, if you know what I mean. This brand of product is really, really great, all natural, and I just find it's really moisturizing. Might be TMI, but hey, just trying to help you out. And then I just got some fashion tape. I also got this really cute earring set from Amazon. It comes with like tons of gold hoops and like pearls and things like that. So I felt like that was a great deal. I'll have all of these mini items linked down below. Okay, Amazon travel favorites. Boy, do I have so many great items for you guys. First off, I think these are one of the best things that you can buy are these refillable perfume spray bottles. If you're not bringing a checked bag, then obviously you can't bring a whole bottle of perfume. Also, you don't want to risk it breaking and losing all of your perfume and it's spilling all over the bag. So they make these little refillable ones. This is the pack I got. They've got tons of colors, where it's a spray bottle up top, and how you refill it is that you take the lid off of your regular perfume and pump it in. Then you can just have a little bit of perfume and that's all you need. So I got one for me and one for Sam, and then if I want to bring like another perfume style, I can put it in here. But I thought this was great. They're really affordable and it's a great way to not lose your big perfume bottles if they're really expensive. I also just think this would be great to have in a purse on the go, not even just for travel. Next up are these super cute silicone refillable bottles. So I put my shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and then lotion in these. They are, first of all, so aesthetically pleasing and they're great quality. Like this will not bust. It has like just so many little things to keep it from spilling, which I really appreciate. And it comes with this little bag for them too. They've got other colors, but I really liked the neutrals because it matches everything else of mine. This next thing is small but mighty, and it is actually a jewelry container for while you're traveling. I love how small and compact it is. This way your jewelry is not getting tangled and you can keep everything together, and then whenever you're there, like it's just nice to have. Plus, you can zip it up and put it in a safe if you're staying in a hotel. Okay, next up, I feel like might be obvious at this point, but packing cubes. Let me tell you, they changed the game with packing. I'll get more into that later. I love the colors, and then I actually use this bag that they keep it in for my dirty laundry. So if you're heading out on your trip and you still have some wet bathing suits, you can just throw them in here and it won't get the rest of your clothes wet or gross. Okay, next thing is this makeup bag. This one's actually new to me, but it has a great shape. So it's flat on the bottom and then it has all these pockets inside, and it's long enough to fit like all of your makeup brushes. So I think this will come in handy for the trip because I don't plan on bringing a ton of makeup. I'm just gonna take what I need and I think it will all fit in here. Next up is this toiletry bag. It looks just like a simple bag, but then you unzip it and it completely unfolds. Oh, that's upside down. It completely unfolds into 4 different departments. Do you see how long that is? So you can organize everything, and I love that it has that like plastic cover, so if something does spill, it doesn't get everywhere else, which is really nice. So I feel like this is going to be great to organize all of my products. Again, I will have all those linked down below, and they're always on my Amazon storefront. You can find them over there, and I hope it's helpful to you. Let's go through all of my packing and travel tips. So we're gonna start with packing. First up is packing cubes, packing cubes, packing cubes. I cannot stress enough how great these are for traveling. 1, it keeps your clothes super organized, and 2, I really feel like you can fit more. I like to organize my clothes within them, so like I'll put shirts all together, pants all together, dresses all together, each in their own cubes. Some people pack outfit by outfit, but I just mix and match all my clothes, so I can't do that. It is a great way to keep your clothes organized. My second tip is to roll your clothes. I'm telling you, you can fit so much more that way rather than folding them. My next tip for packing is to keep the things that are very expensive on your personal item. But I'm talking about things not just like your computer, but like your makeup bag. Because if you had to replace each individual makeup item, that could be really expensive, at least for me, because I've had makeup palettes for years and I bring those with me. So I always keep those on my personal item just in case my bag gets lost, or if they're being really like roughhoused with, your makeup could break, or just anything like that. I like to keep on me at all times. Also things like medication or toiletries, things that if your bag got lost, you need with you. I would keep that in your personal item. My next tip kind of has to do with packing, and that is if you're going on a fun trip, I would suggest doing Nuuly. If you don't know what Nuuly is, it's a clothing rental service where you rent 6 pieces for, I think they actually just upped their price. I think it might be $89 per month when it used to be $79. They have brands like Free People, Anthropologie, Goldie Jeans, Show Me Your Muumuu, Urban Outfitters, so many brands. So you can rent 6 pieces and then just keep them for a month and then return them. And you can pause your subscription at any time. Like it's not a year-long commitment or anything like that. So for this trip, I ordered 6 different dresses since you usually get dressed up at night. I thought it'd be fun. And so I got to order pieces that I would never be able to buy because they're like $300 and you're probably only gonna wear one. That's when I think Nuuly is just the best thing ever. Okay, now for like morning of, I highly recommend making a list of things that you need to get in the morning, but things that you can't really put away until the morning, if that makes sense. So for example, phone charger, toothbrush, if you're bringing your pillow, or things like your passport that you need to double, triple check that you have, literally make a list. Even if you think, oh, I won't forget it, you just never know. If you're waking up at 5 a.m., the brain's not working properly. So I always make a list on my phone, and that way I never forget anything. My next tip is to go ahead and charge all of your items while you're packing the day before. So for example, I'm charging my AirPods and my Kindle and my iPad, things that I don't need in the meantime, just so that they're fully charged and ready to go. And then I can also already pack up their charging cables before the morning comes. My next tip is to leave your house extremely clean. I know this is not always the easiest thing to do, especially if you're like under a really tight time constraint or you're just super busy, but I always try to leave the house really clean. So whenever you come home, it's not a wreck. It's just like, oh, okay, I don't have to clean anything, and it feels very, very nice. And I always try to do that whenever we go out of town. My next tip that I have is for in the airport. So on most airlines, you get a personal item, but for me, my personal item is always really big and always has a ton of stuff in it, from my makeup, laptop, all my charging cords, all of that stuff. So I find that I tend to struggle to find the things that I'm constantly needing: my plane ticket, my license, my passport, all of those things. So this is when the Lululemon belt bag, or just some sort of belt bag, comes in handy. Throughout the airport, you can just have it around you, which is so nice. So really you have like 2 bags, but then you just stick it in your one bag. Is that making sense? But you need to stick the belt bag in your personal item before you board the flight, because they will tell you, oh, you've got 2 bags. One needs to go up top, or you need to check one, whatever. I've seen that happen. So some airlines are more chill about it than others, but definitely put it away before you board the plane. This time around, I'm going somewhere very tropical, but the next tip I have is to get these, I don't even know what you call them, like bags that suction with a pump bags, maybe we'll call them. I got these off of Amazon, and if you're going somewhere cold, this is perfect because, you know, fluffy jackets take up a lot of space, but if you get this pump, it like compresses it down into a bag, and the pump is small enough that you can bring with you. You don't need a plug or anything. It's just like a manual pump, and it is very, very helpful. And they're like 20 bucks, I think. So I'll link those down below. If maybe you're traveling somewhere not tropical and you need thicker pieces, that is so great. Or if you're just traveling for a long period of time, it really compresses all your clothes so you can pack more. But don't forget, there's still a weight limit. So be careful with that one. Just got back from my manicure. I went with this really fun summer color. It's called Aloha from OPI. Very cute, very different. So now I'm just going to get all of my clothes together that I think I might bring on the trip and bring them over in the guest bedroom. I just feel like I've got more room to film in there, so I'm doing everything in there. I thought I would show you guys what I take on the plane with me in my personal items. So this is the bag I got from Target, just buttons together, and I added this little organizer in there, and this is so amazing and so great. So like I mentioned, I have my Lululemon bag on the side that I wear around me until we get on the flight, and I just keep wallet, passport, everything I need quickly in here. Then in this zipper, I just kept my sunglasses on the side. Then in this organizing thing, I put my laptop and my iPad. And then in this little zipper, I just put my Kindle in there. Then I have this little bag that's from a packing cube set that I have. And I just keep all of my electronics in there just so they're nice and organized. I brought some snacks, my book, and then in these, I got these on our flight, and then hand sanitizer, a pen, my AirPods, and then a pack of gum. After using this bag for traveling, I really recommend it. I love it because the straps are so comfortable. This was extremely heavy, but it was still pretty comfortable to hold, and it sat perfectly on my suitcase as I was rolling it through the airport. So 10 out of 10, recommend this bag. It's 30% off right now, so that makes it $21, I think. I think that was a great deal. We're here on vacation. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.